How to fix Instagram not showing who liked your post. If Instagram isn't showing the list of users who've liked your post, it usually comes from privacy settings, app glitches, or even outdated app data. Here's a short step-by-step guide on how you can get the like list showing again. First thing you need to do is refresh your internet connection and reload the post. So for that, open up Instagram. Go over to your profile where you want to see your likes. Then just tap on the post. I'll just go over here and I'm just going to go ahead and select a post. Now you can long press on the like button to view who liked your post, and it's going to show you the list. But if you are not able to do that, then you need to refresh your connection. Swipe down from your notification panel, turn off your Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, and if it doesn't work, just switch back. And you can also try to toggle airplane mode from here. Turn on airplane mode, keep it turned on for a few seconds, then turn it off and reload the post. So go over to your profile, refresh just like so. You can just go down, find it again, and see who has liked it. Now, once that is done, you can also try to clear Instagram's app data cache. Long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, go to storage section down below. Once you are on storage, tap on clear cache and you should be good to go. Go back and you can also try to force stop the app. Tap on force stop, tap on OK. And once you have done that, you can see that your post like should be showing again. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.